Okay, so that was this 1986 Comfortmaker Deluxe Energy Saver heat pump starting up in cool mode. Air is actually being discharged up the sides, which means the fan is not spinning the right way. That's not good. That actually needs to be checked out. I might try to inform them. That is ice cold. That's rather warm, but given this fan's not spinning in the right way, I'm not surprised. Data sheet is faded, unfortunately. The place was built in 1986. That's the only reason I know the year of this unit. There's a 1993 train that never runs. I mean, literally never. Here's a ream that's been cycling. I was running earlier. This train was also running, so we'll use it through Americans. Yeah. Just thought I'd get a start for this old Comfortmaker while it remains. Thanks for watching. Over and out.